Good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Today's our first problem is see here on board. Rajaram divided his property among his wife, son, daughter and the rest of his property as a donation to a school building. His wife got 3,27,127 rupees. His son got 4,32,650 rupees. His daughter got 3,45,720 rupees and 2,75,550 rupees to the school building. Find the total value of his property. So here a man is there and his name is Rajaram and his name is Rajaram. Okay. He divided his total property to his wife, son, daughter and also donation to school building. His total property is this he divided his property into wife, son, daughter and remaining is donation to school building. So here the amounts are given. He is asking for simply find the total value of his property. If you want his total property, we have to add this total of 4 values now. So his wife got some value and his son got some value, his daughter got some value and donation is some value. So if you add these 4 values, we got the total property of the Rajaram here. So what we do here, we have to simply add all the 4 values. Okay. So see here. So first of all write who got which amount, what amount or anything. So wife amount. What is the Rajaram's wife's amount? His wife got 3,27,000 rupees. Okay. And his son's amount or son's amount. Okay, wife's amount and son's amount. How much? 4,32,650 rupees. Okay. And his daughter's amount equal to 3,45,720 rupees. And our donation to school building equal to how much? This amount is 2,75,550 rupees. 2,75,550 rupees. Now, if you want the total value of this property, simply we have to add these 4 numbers. Okay. So see here, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 2 in the sum and 1 is carry. I am writing here 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 5 19. 9 is here and 1 is here. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. 0 here and 2 I am adding here. Okay. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 7 18. 8 here and 1 here, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 2 13. So what is his total amount? Total property value 13,80,920 rupees. Okay. So therefore right here Rajaram's total property, how much? His total property equal to 13,80,920 rupees. Okay. We have to add here, then we got the total value. Okay children. Okay children, see here. These 2 problems are homework for you. First problem is the production of tea during 4 consecutive years in a factory as follows. Here the production of tea is given. The production of tea is given in 4 consecutive years. In first year, the quantity of tea produced is 3,48,315 kgs, and in second year it is 4,09,548 kgs, and in third year it is 3,98,742 kgs, and in fourth year it is 4,23,706 kgs. So find the total production of tea during those 4 years. ఇక్కడ మనకి 4 years 4 different quantities ఇచ్చాడు. సో క్వశ్చన్ లో ఏం చేయమంటున్నాడు, ఫైండ్ ద టోటల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ టీ డ్యూరింగ్ దోస్ 4 years. సో ఆ 4 years లో ఎంత ప్రొడక్షన్ వచ్చిందో ఫైండ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ గా ప్రతి క్వాంటిటీని యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. 4 క్వాంటిటీస్ ని యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి టోటల్ 4 years కి ఎంత క్వాంటిటీ ఉన్నది అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. And see second question, in a general hospital the number of outpatients treated as follows. So in a general hospital the number of outpatients means treated and they went out from the hospital. Okay, so in first year 2,48,379 people, and in second year 2,90,586 people, and in third year 3,04,965 people, and in fourth year 3,32,004 people. Okay, this is the total number of people they are coming out from the hospital in first year, and it is second year, and it is third year, and it is fourth year. He is asking for find the total number of patients treated during the 4 years. So he is asking for total number of patients treated during those 4 years, means first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So he is asking for total 4 years. Okay, simply we have to add, then we get the total number of people who got treated in those 4 years. Okay children, do these 2 problems as homework children. Thank you, bye, see you in next class. Hi children.